accounting group, subgroup, alteration and deletion. Alter or delete following accounts groups. Group name as business revenue, current configuration, subgroup sales account, alteration, deletion detail, change subgroup to direct income. Similarly, we have to alter or delete given accounting group in Tally Prime as per instruction. To alter or delete any accounting group in Tally Prime, we have to navigate from Gateway of Tally, Alter menu options, select Group under Accounting Master, select Accounting Group and press Enter for Alter or Deleted. First accounting group as Business Revenue. Current configuration as subgroup under Sales Accounts. We need to change from Sales Accounts to Direct Income. Enter and accept. Similarly, CSR activities. As per instruction, we need to delete this group. To delete this group, we can click on Alt-D delete. Please note, accounting group cannot be deleted if already configured as primary group for different accounting subgroup. Enter to delete accounting group. Accounting group is deleted. Next, material expenses. Current subgroup as direct expenses. We need to change from direct expenses to purchase account. Enter and accept. Next, factory overhead. As per information, we need to rename this as factory cost. Rest, other details as it is. Enter and accept. Material supplier. Configure under sundry creditors. We need to delete this group. Press Alt-D to delete. Confirm as yes. We can re-verify chart of accounts from Gateway of Tally. Groups. Accounting groups are altered and deleted as per instruction. Accounting ledger introduction. A ledger is the actual account head to identify your transactions and are used in all accounting vouchers. For example, purchase, payments, sales, receipts, and other accounts heads are ledger accounts. Without a ledger master, transactions cannot be recorded in Tally. All ledgers have to be classified into accounting groups. These groups and ledgers are classified broadly into profit and loss or balance sheet under expenses, income, liabilities, and assets. Example: purchase account ledger, sales account ledger, cash and bank ledger, etc. There are two predefined ledgers available in Tally Prime: Cash Ledger and Profit and Loss Ledger. Cash Ledger. The cash ledger is grouped under cash in hand. You can enter the opening balance as on the day the books begin, this ledger can be altered and deleted. Profit and loss ledger. The profit and loss account ledger is grouped under primary. The previous year's profit or loss is entered as opening balance of the ledger. The balance entered is the opening profit or loss. It is shown in the balance sheet as opening of the profit and loss account in the liabilities. This ledger cannot be deleted, but it can be modified. We can view predefined accounting ledger in Tally Prime from Gateway of Tally, Alter menu option, select Ledger, Ledger as Cash Account and Profit and Loss Account. Select Ledger to alter or modify. We can see Cash Account grouped under Cash in Hand. We can enter opening balance for cash balance. 1000 rupees as debit balance. Enter and accept. Similarly, we can modify profit and loss account. Group as primary. Opening balance as 5000 rupees. Credit balance. Enter and accept.